Today I am going to teach the topic of simple, complex and compound. So what are the things we should know when you rewrite the simple sentence into complex sentence and complex sentence to compound sentence and compound to simple and complex. Okay. So first of all, first we should know what is simple sentence. Okay. The simple sentence contains one phrase and one main class. For example, simple sentence contains one phrase and one main class. Next, complex sentence. Complex sentence contains one or more than one subordinate class. More than one subordinate class and one main class. And compound sentence. The compound sentence has two main classes connected by the coordinating conjunction. So compound sentence two main class. So in all three we have main class. So first we discuss about the main class. The main class is complete meaningful sentence. So what is the meaning for main class? Complete meaningful sentence. So the main class is complete meaningful sentence. Meaningful sentence. So what about the two things? One is phrase and another one is subordinate class. Okay. So first I will explain what is the meaning of phrase. I will explain it with the example. She is a woman of great beauty. Okay, when you say she is a woman, it gives complete meaning. So it is called main class. And here you say of great beauty, I would say it is phrase. So what is the meaning of phrase? Group of words which comes without verb. It is called phrase. Another meaning, group of words gives meaning, but it does not give complete meaning without main class. So it is phrase. So you got the idea what is phrase and what is main class. Main class is already it is explained. Complete meaningful sentence. She is a woman is a complete meaningful sentence. And a phrase, the group of words 1, 2, 3. Group of words gives meaning, but it does not give complete meaning without main class. Okay, so it is called a simple sentence. It is called a simple sentence. So now I explain the meaningful phrase and main class. Next is subordinate class. So subordinate class means already we know the meaning. Subordinate means someone we depend someone. Okay. So for example, I write the sentence as he was sick, he did not attend the class. Okay, here I could say it is a subordinate class. I could say it is a subordinate class. He did not attend the class. It is a main class. So always we could make some changes only in the effect, not in the result. So it is the effect, it is the result. He was sick, it is the effect, and he did not attend the class, it is the result. So it is the reason, it is the result. Okay. So now you see before we add this conjunction, before we add this word as, just you read the sentence alone. He was sick. It gives complete meaning. So it is a meaningful sentence. So it is a main class. So when it gives meaning alone, he did not attend the class. It gives meaning alone. It gives complete meaning alone. But when you add the conjunction with a meaningful sentence, so he was sick. It is a meaningful sentence. When you add the conjunction with a meaningful sentence, it gives meaning, but it depends upon the main class. So this sentence gives meaning, but it depends upon the main class. Another part of the sentence to complete its meaning. For example, I will read the sentence. As he was sick, what happened? He did not attend the class. So this sentence depends upon the another sentence to complete its meaning. So it is called a subordinate class. Okay. So always the reason, the effect will becomes a subordinate class. So today we have discussed simple, compound, complex, and what are the things should we should learn or we should know before we rewrite the simple sentence as a complex, complex to compound, compound to simple and complex. Okay. So I explained the meaning for phrase and main class and subordinate class. So before we should write the answer for the question, we should know what is phrase and what is subordinate class and what is main class. So everything has been explained. So now we are going to we can enter the type. Okay. So I will go this way. Okay. The thief saw the policeman. He ran away. Okay. So rewrite as a simple sentence. Rewrite as a simple sentence. So how to make a simple sentence. So when you read the sentence, we should find the sentence belongs to which type. Okay. So now I will explain. The thief saw the policeman. He ran away. It refers the time of action. So the time of action divided into two types. One is late responsible, another is immediate responsible. Here you read the sentence, it belongs to late responsible or immediate responsible. For example, after completed my homework or after completing my homework, I went to bed. Okay, I completed my homework, I went to bed. So it is one action started after completion of another action. So it is late response. But the thief saw the policeman, he ran away. It is immediate responsible. As soon as the thief saw the policeman, he ran away. So it is immediate responsible. For the immediate responsible, okay, what is the formula? How to write a phrase? How to make a phrase? How to write a simple sentence? So we have a formula. We have a table column. I will write it. First one is for the simple sentence we use on plus verb plus ing or verb plus ing. Okay. Next one is for on plus noun form. So on plus verb plus ing plus other words. Second part of the and plus main class. So now you say on plus verb plus ing or verb plus ing noun form plus noun form on plus noun form plus other words plus main class. Okay. So it is the structure for simple a structure for simple sentence when the sentence represents the immediate response. Next, what is how to write a complex sentence? So already I have explained. We have used conjunction. So when we use the conjunction with the meaningful sentence, that sentence depends upon the another part of the sentence. So it is called a subordinate class, and it is called the as is called a subordinate conjunction. So we use the subordinate conjunction for immediate responsible when, as soon as okay. So we add the subordinate conjunction with a meaningful sentence. So we need subject and verb to make a meaningful sentence. So along with these two conjunctions, we use subject and verb. Next one is second part of the sentence plus main class. Okay, main class. Next one, what about the compound sentence? Compound sentence already we discussed. It has two main class. So when you remove the here as, so when you add this conjunction, it becomes subordinate conjunction, subordinate class. When you remove this conjunction from the meaningful sentence, the sentence gives complete meaning. He was sick. So it is called a main class. So when you from the complex sentence, when you remove the conjunction, when you remove the subordinate conjunction, it becomes main class. So from the complex sentence to compound sentence, if you remove the subordinate conjunction, it becomes main class. So the two main class already, one main class is available. So when you remove the subordinate conjunction, it becomes main class. So the two main class connected by the coordinating conjunction. In complex sentence, the as is called subordinating conjunction. In compound sentence, we will use coordinating conjunction between two sentences. So first you remove the, when you read a compound sentence, first you remove the conjunction when and as soon as. So when you remove the conjunction when, as soon as, what about the remaining thing? Subject and verb. So subject and verb is a main class, and already one more main class is available. Okay, so one more main class is available. We can. So here one main class, here one main class. So in compound sentence, two main class connected by the conjunction. So which coordinating conjunction is suitable for immediate, responsible, and at once, and immediately. Sometimes and okay, we use both these two things, and at once and immediately. So now we can discuss the immediate responsible with the sentence. Okay. So now we can write answer for this question. The thief saw the policeman. He ran away. The thief saw the policeman, it gives complete meaning, so it is called main class. He ran away, it is a main class. Okay, so now we can write a simple sentence. So now you see here, first we should find the doer of the action. He ran away, it refers to the thief. And who saw the policeman? The thief saw the policeman. Okay, so doer of the action, same in the two subject. Okay, so we should replace the naming word to the second part of the sentence. So what is given here? The thief is given. Okay, so now write the simple sentence. On plus go plus ing. So here the thief saw the policeman. The doer of the action, subject of the action. The doer of the subject is same in both sentences. So first we remove the subject. What about the remaining thing? Saw the policeman. So we use the formula on plus verb plus ing. On plus verb plus ing. What is when you add the ing form with verb, we should use the main verb in present tense. So saw becomes seen. So seen. seeing. Next, what is the remaining word? The policeman. On seeing the policeman. On seeing the policeman. He ran away. Who ran away? Thief ran away. So on seeing the policeman, the thief ran away. On seeing the policeman, the thief ran away. Next up, make it as a complex sentence. Okay, so when you make the complex sentence, first we should use the subordinate conjunction when. First we should use the subordinate conjunction when or as soon as. Next, what is when subject is given? Here, who is the seeing? This action is done by who? The thief. So you write the subject thief. So the thief is thief. Next verb. Here, what is the verb is given? See. Okay. So when you use the before we use the verb with the subject, we should record the tense form of the second sentence. Okay. Here, what is the tense is given? He ran away. It is the past tense. Okay. Depend upon the second part of the sentence, we should use the verb. So the second part of the sentence is given in simple past tense. So the C becomes a saw. So when the thief saw the policeman come, he ran away. Okay. Next one, compound sentence. So compound sentence already I said when we remove the first we have to remove the subordinate conjunction. Okay, so for the compound sentence, subject plus verb plus undefined and immediate or conjunction plus main class. So first we remove the subordinate conjunction and when. So what is the remaining thing? The thief. Thief saw the policeman. So it is a main class. And he ran away is the main class. So two main class connected by a coordinate conjunction which is suitable and ones and immediate. Both are suitable. So we can use each one conjunction here and ones. Okay. So the thief saw the policeman and at once he ran away. The thief saw the policeman and immediately he ran away. Otherwise, we can omit the subject. He, we use and. So what is the answer? The thief saw the policeman and ran away. So these three answers, this answer is correct. So better